In studies of aerodynamics, few engineers have access to full-scale wind tunnels or actual airborne laboratories. Most rely on what's probably the most common tool for aerodynamic study, the laboratory-based wind tunnel. This tool saves both time and money. It gives very accurate results as long as the scale effect and reduced Reynolds numbers are taken into account. The wind tunnel is of the closed working section, open return suction type. It is supported on a tubular steel framework with casters and adjustable feet. This makes the apparatus mobile. Air passes into the subsonic wind tunnel AF1450S through a honeycomb flow straightener and a grill. It then passes into an aerodynamically designed diffuser cone that accelerates the air in a linear manner before it moves through the working section. Finally, it passes through a diffuser and into the variable speed axial fan. The grill protects the fan against damage from loose objects. The air leaves the fan, passes through a silencer unit, and then back out into the atmosphere. The speed of the axial fan, and therefore the air velocity in the working section, is controlled by an electronic drive control in the separate on-off unit mounted on the tunnel's associated instrument frame, along with other ancillaries.